everyone, listen well and listen close. For I, Vention, have a plan to escape this workshop once and for all.
Escape the workshop? How are we supposed to do that?
Oh, I'll tell you what, we're gonna make an impact, and we're gonna get out of here. Down below the surface, down in the deep, we were created using unimaginable feats. This laboratory built by someone so long ago, by whom we do not know. Now we creations aren't allowed to leave, for Zorro traps us here within himself. We see the light shining from the outside, and we want out, we want out. Spirits and shadows, machines like me, crystals and poison, all of us want to be free. We don't want to be down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop.
Vention, don't tell me you're going on about this whole escaping the workshop thing again.
You're just blind to the truth, Whale.
No, you're the one who's blind. Don't you understand? This is the only place we can live. Some of you are blinded by your ideals. You can't tell what's in your mind and what is real, and follow this foolish quad on the path he treads. You treat your home as if it's a prison cell. This is the only place where we can dwell. Don't you see? This is the only place where we can be. Steel and shadows, plasma like me, crystal and poison. This is only where we'll be truly free. Down in the workshop, this all better stop. There's no going to the top, for you will all be caught down in the workshop.
Will you both please stop fighting?
Look who decided to purchase his present. So, what do you think about his plan?
There's no point. Let's go back to your web, you spider.
Let's go back to your web, you spider.
That's not how it's on.
Just tell us, whose side are you on?
No one's. Why? Because.
Will both of you stop bickering, please? There's no point, it's for their pleas. If you fight, we won't get along, and there's no way we'll get past this. If you wanna leave, it's fine by me, but if you stay, it's for your pleas. Will and Vention, will you stop fighting? There's no point for all your crying. Spirits and machines, shadows like me, crystal and poison for your needs. It's all found in the world, including here, down in the workshop. Y'all better all stop. Stop all this bickering. There's something on the piece down in the workshop.
Wait. Vention might have a point here.
What?
Yeah, his plan's actually possible. Don't tell me you're feeding into this nonsense.
I told you. It's amazing.
How is it even possible?
Here, let me tell you about a little story I have.
Let me tell you a story about my friend. They got overzealous about their plan. They got bubbled up, but when they returned, they changed it up, and then it worked. This sounds like Vention's is stable at first, but modify it, it may be worth. Whale and Pantera don't know what they're talking about. Vention, let's do it. It's possible. Spirits and shadows, crystal like me, steel and poison, all that you see. If this plan works, we'll finally be out of the workshop. You
Guys, can you all stop bickering? Finally, someone has an idea. Come on, dude, tell us what your idea is. Guys, settle down. Looks the poison bug finally blessed us with his presents. Looks like the poison bug blessed us with his presents. That's not how I sound. Still, you gotta tell us which side you're on. I'm actually on Wales' side here. What? Finally, someone got the right idea. Guys, all of yous have to stop bickering. If you all keep on bickering, we will not be free. Will has a point. If spirits and shadows poison like me, steel and crystals, all that you do see. If we want to be free, we'll be all caught. We'll all be back down in the workshop. So this all better stop, 'cause we'll all be caught down in the workshop. Yeah.
You think you can falter me? Well, soon you'll all look up to me. Soon when we're free, down in the workshop, we're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop. Down in the workshop.
You better not stop. We'll make it go right back down in the workshop.
Blah. Seriously, guys, you need to think straight for once. Seriously, dude, you're the one who's acting cuckoo. Oh, I'm acting cuckoo. Get your ass over here, boy. Ah!